Now, here's how to make your extraction more efficient and cost-effective. Under Mailboxes, narrow down your search to specific folders like Starred or Personal to reduce scanning costs. Choose which documents to look for under document types, either invoices, receipts, or both. In email parts, select where to look, the email body for embedded receipts, or PDF attachments for formal invoices. Image attachment analysis is coming soon. Optionally, use sender settings to either include specific email addresses or domains with allowed senders, or exclude certain email addresses or domains you don't need with blocked senders. These customization options help reduce the number of emails to scan, potentially lowering your extraction costs significantly. Ready to start? Follow along with the form, and if you need help, click the support icon at the bottom right of your page.